If you guys are struggling to get your first sale online, do not worry. I will teach you guys everything that I have learned. I've gotten about 100,000 orders so far in these past 3 years. I'm currently 17, so selling online is nothing new to me. So if you are older than me, do not feel embarrassed. Don't worry. If you're younger than me, take notes and learn. No matter what age you are, I got you guys. I'm gonna put you on the sauce. Free. Just make sure you leave a like and subscribe. So I have been doing e-commerce for about 3 years now. Like I said, like 10 seconds ago, I am 17. Our generation, we do have an advantage over the older people because we know how to use technology, how to make sales online, how to use it to contact people, whatever. Like all across the board, we are the best when it comes to technology. So don't have to worry about his advice might not be true, or I don't know if I should believe him or whatever. Don't worry, I am experienced when it comes to TikTok, selling online, like hands down across the board, email marketing, all that. I have knowledge in all that, all across the field basically. So if you have not gotten any sales so far, do not be discouraged. Watch this video and then apply what I told you, and then come back to the video and let me know how many sales you got after watching. I'm gonna tell you guys something that I had to learn the hard way. It is that you need to be posted on all platforms. If you're just posting on one platform, guess what? That's only 100,000 people. But if you post across all platforms, boom, that's 1 million people right there. So if you're just posting on one platform and it's not working, well, duh, maybe what you're selling is not for that platform. Or let's say you have a Shopify. I'm gonna get to that in a minute. But you're trying to like resell clothes and shoes like that, and you're just posting on one website. Of course, some things sell faster on other websites. If you post something like a pair of Jordans, right, they might sell faster on this app versus this app. So you really need to be posting on all 10 apps, not just one app because you like it. Dude, money's money. Who cares where it's coming from? Get that money, all right? So you can grow and scale. If you are running a Shopify website, how you're gonna get sales is how much traffic you get to your website. If you have a lot of traffic, you're definitely gonna have higher sales. But if you just don't have any traffic at all, you're probably not gonna have any sales at all. So you need to sit down and realize, I'm not getting sales because I do not have enough traffic going to my website. You need to sit down and think, like, get together with your marketing team. If you don't have a marketing team, go on TikTok, go on YouTube, whatever, look for it. Some inspiration on how to market, which I actually dropped a video on how to market your clothing brand. Go tune in. I'll pop it up like right here. And what it boils down to is that you're not getting enough traffic on your Shopify website. How do you get traffic? You market. You make videos on TikTok, you make videos on Instagram, you make videos on YouTube. Or you could do it old-fashioned style, go into the real world and go market to people. Be like, hey, this is my brand, this is my product, whatever. If you want to go buy, here's my website, or here's my Instagram. If you want to go refer a friend, whatever, or if you know somebody who's looking for this specific item or specific piece, you could do that. You could run ads on social media, or you could do like promote it in real life. However you want to do that. I'm not really experienced promoting in real life because I don't do that. I just promote on social media and stuff like that. But the one way I do promote is when I talk to people, I'll be like, hey, this is my brand, here's what I sell, blah blah blah. Or if I see a sneakerhead, I'll be like, hey, I sell laces, do you want to go cop, whatever, something like that. That's all I do pretty much. I don't really like market for real, like in person. I just market online because online is where most of the money is at. I just gave you the sauce for Shopify. You need to be getting traffic. More traffic equals more sales. With that being said though, that does not mean go buy some fake traffic thinking that your sales are about to skyrocket. So I'm very well aware that there's probably some app out there where you can just buy Shopify visitors to go to your store. You think they're about to buy? No. What I mean is that you need to get out there, you need to run ads, you need to get with your marketing team, you need to create content. Creating content is key. Whatever business you're doing, creating content is key. Because guess what? Nobody cares about you. Nobody knows who you are. So if you're not posting content, why do you think you're not getting sales? You're not posting content. So you need to be posting content because nobody knows who you are. If I didn't post content, nobody know who I am. So don't feel sad. Don't feel bad about yourself. But you're down here. You're trying to get up here. So you're going to have to work to get up there to the level that you're trying to get at. But I'm not going to go like into depth, but I'm going to just give you guys like a little basic understanding on how like to market whatever product or business you have. So the number one app I recommend right now is TikTok. If you guys are not taking advantage of TikTok, it's going to be too late pretty soon. They're going to be like, oh man, I missed out. I should have listened to Cali the Kid. He told me what to do and I still didn't do it. Guess what? That's your fault. So with that being said, you need to be taking advantage of TikTok. If your views are stuck at like 200, 500, 1,000, because you're not posting enough and your content is not good. If your content is good and you're posting like 3 to 4 times a day, you're not going to have any problem with views. Your views might go up and then down some days, but you're still going to get a lot of views at some point in time. You're going to have that viral video that gets 1 million views, 2 million, 5 million views. So with that being said, you need to be consistent when posting on social media. You need to be posting, like I said earlier, you need to be posting across all platforms. If you're just posting on one platform, like let's say TikTok, okay, that's good. But TikTok is only a certain amount of people. People on Instagram don't like TikTok and they don't have it on their phone. So you need to post it on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, what else? Facebook. Facebook, you could post on there. Facebook's mainly for like ads, but you could post on there. That's pretty much like Snapchat, I guess. You get it right. You post it on all platforms. You were trying to get more sales because the more views, the more visitors to your site leads to more checkouts, which leads to more sales. You see where I'm going with that, right? And look at that. I don't know if y'all boys can see that or not. It's probably not gonna focus. There we go. But right now, I just got to sell on TikTok Shop. So I'm telling y'all boys, you need to be you need to be selling on everything. Amazon. Oh, also I'm on Amazon too. I forgot to mention Amazon. I'm on Amazon. I be getting sales, nothing crazy, but I still be getting sales like 1 sale a day, 2 sales a day. Nothing crazy, but guess what? If I wasn't on Amazon, I would not be getting those sales. So you need to be posting on all platforms, all right? Point blank, period. End of discussion. Also, when you are creating content for your business, you need to make sure that your background is really clean. You have good lighting, all that. You need to post information about the piece, when it's dropping, what it is, let people know. Because like if you're just posting, if you're just recording, how are we supposed to know what to do? You need to put in your caption like, hey, my site is in bio to go cop, site in bio to go shop, whatever. You need to be doing that. That's what I do on all my posts. Me personally, I say site in bio to shop, to cop, whatever. So let people know, hey, my website's in my bio, go cop if you want it. But if you are just starting out, do not get disencouraged. It's going to take a while. We all started from somewhere. My first selling line was, like I said in all my other videos, it was a pair of Jordan 11 on cords that I could not fit anymore. I sold them on Poshmark for about $100. Took that $100, bought some more shoes to resell, kept going up from there. So we all start from somewhere. If you are reselling products, just know in the beginning you are going to have to take a loss or break even. I see that with a bunch of sneaker resellers on Instagram who are trying to build their reputation. They're trying to build their reputation up. First, they're gonna have to take a loss for some shoes or just break even. You're not gonna get the price that you want in the beginning. So just know you're gonna have to sacrifice a little bit, but in the end, once you get the reviews in, once people know that you're trustworthy, once people know that other people have done business with you, your reviews are gonna go up. People are gonna trust you more. So you're just gonna have to take that small hit in the beginning for it to work out in the long run. But with that being said, you guys need to be using social proof. What that is that they see Travis Scott bought from this random clothing brand. Guess what? All of a sudden, everybody else trusts that random clothing brand that they never seen a day in their life. Because guess what? Travis Scott wore it. Oh, I could trust it. That is what social proof is in a nutshell. Other people see somebody else bought it and they let the review or they tag them in their story or whatever. They're like, oh, he bought it. Oh, he got it. Oh, that's hard. Oh, he likes it. Oh, I like it too. I'm gonna go buy it. People are just like, they just follow each other blindly. They don't even realize they do it. It's okay. We all do it a little bit. But that's pretty much what social proof is. Other people see other people buying something, they go buy it too. That is why on my website I have reviews on products. So when people buy it, they can leave a review on it and then it'll be posted on my website. Also, I tell people to tag me once they receive their orders or tag me when they wear my necklaces or my shoelaces or my beanies that I'm actually about to drop. By the time you're watching this video, they might be out already, but we got pink right here. We got gray, we got blue, we got black, and we got white. So when people get them orders in, they start wearing it with their outfits. I'm gonna definitely go ahead and tell them, tag me in your outfits. I'll repost it on my story. I'll repost it on my feed. Because guess what? That is social proof right there. Other people see other people wearing my beanies and they'll be like, where'd you get that from? I need to have it. So that you need to be using social proof. Social proof will make your sales go from like 1,000 a month all the way up to like 50,000 a month. Like people will follow other people. So keep that in mind. Another word of advice, if you are running a Shopify website, you need to have a clean, simple, minimalistic website. If you need some inspiration, go to my website, which is actually growlocker.us. My website is freaking amazing. It took me so long to make it, but it is worth it at the end of the day. I don't know, I'm not sure if y'all can see that. Oh yeah, y'all can see it. Look at that. Look how simple it is. See? Look how clean it is. We're just going, look at that. Look at that. We got a little FAQ section right here. Boom. Also later today, I'm probably add like a little tracking section where you can like track your order on my website, because sometimes it takes forever for UPS and USPS to update it. But just look how simple and minimalistic and clean that is. So if you guys need an inspiration for your website, go to my website, which is growlocker.us, and go take some inspiration. I'm not gonna hate on you guys, but hey, you might want to buy something while you're there. But having a clean, minimal website is key to converting people over to check out and get more sales on your end. Also, what I do hate is when brand owners and like business owners in general, they have like some crazy like website intro. Like, what do you, bro? All right. This is for all my clothing brand owners, especially clothing brand owners do this the most because they're like the most inexperienced people when it comes to selling online. Look, dude, what is this? Are you kidding me right now? What is this? You think I'm about to sit there and wait for all that? No, I'm not gonna sit there and wait. And you got like all the designs and behind the product. Like, dude, you need to have a clean white background or black, whatever, green, gray, pink. It needs to be plain and basic. If you have all that designs and all that extra stuff, guess what? People are gonna be more focused on the designs on a website more than the product. Do the designs make you sales or do the products make you sales? Keep that in mind. Keep game and lock in for real. And also, do not do all those little crazy website intros and stuff. Ain't nobody trying to sit there wait on all that. When you're dropping a product, you think I'm about to sit there and just wait, what, 5-10 seconds for your website to just do this crazy like open animation? No, I'm not waiting for all that. I'm gonna just click off your website and go buy from somebody else. But it's a nice, simple, plain website. So if you need some inspiration, go to my website, growlocker.us. calithekid.us is down there in my bio for inspiration. Wait, I just said that. Just use it, all right? But don't copy it bar for bar, word for word. You know, kind of switch it up a little bit. When you ask your friend to copy the homework, but he says don't copy word for word, to switch up a little bit, that's what you guys need to go do. You can go use my website, but kind of switch up a little bit. Don't be just like me, all right? But I hope some of those tips help you guys and will help you guys prosper in the future and get more sales. If it did help, let me know in the comments, because I really do want to see you guys come back to my videos and leave comments saying, hey, my sales went up to this. I got my first sale online. I really want to see those type of comments on my video. So that would be amazing if you guys could do that. But if you want to go learn some more things about entrepreneurship, clothing brands, how to start, how to market on TikTok, all that, go subscribe right now. I have all those videos on my channel. Also, I do record day in the lives when I'm down in LA. It be crazy. I be going to car meets. I be going to Rodeo Drive. I don't be splurging like that for real. Not right now, at least. You know, I'm kind of saving right now. But also, I might start bringing like stock content on here, like how to invest and all that. So just stay tuned for the future. We have a lot planned for the future, all right? It's been Cali the Kid. I'm out. Please, please, please let me know if this video helped you guys out. And if you guys want some more videos and I'm not dropping it, just let me know in the comments down below. Now we'll try to make a video based off of your comment. Actually, that's how I made this video. I went down my comment section, or my comments in my most popular video, how to get motion, and somebody said you're not explaining how to get your first sale online. So I just made a whole entire video dedicated to that one comment. So if you guys have any video ideas or any videos that you want me to do, I'll comment them down below and I got y'all. But it's been Cali the Kid. I'm out. Peace. Hey, I wish y'all luck.